Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have discussed regarding the angle of banking that theta is equals to tan inverse of v square by rg. That expression we have obtained theta is equals to tan inverse of v square by rg. So that is formula or the expression for the angle of banking. Theta is equals to tan inverse of v square by rg. V is the speed of the vehicle. R is the radius of the curvature along which that vehicle is taking the turn on which banking is provided, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so we got this expression from tan theta is equals to v square by rg. Okay, we have obtained this first. Tan theta is equals to v square by rg. Then theta is equals to tan becomes inverse on that side. Okay, so tan theta is equals to v square by rg. So we can write this v square, keep that v square as it is. That rg becomes get multiplied on this side. So it becomes rg into tan theta. So if taking square root on both the sides, we are getting here the v is equals to under root rg tan theta. Taking square root on both the sides, here we are getting v is equals to root rg tan theta. Okay, so this is the expression for the safety speed of the vehicle on the curved bank road. This is the expression for the safety speed of a vehicle on the curved bank road. Okay, now it depends on the r radius of the curvature for that particular turn. It is constant. G is acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8 meter per second square. It is also constant, and theta is the angle of banking. Once that banking is provided to the road, it remains constant. It means for that particular turn, all these three values on which the safety speed depends is constant. It is clear that value for the safety speed is constant, and it is one value for that particular curve bank road. त्या पर्टिक्युलर बँकिंग त्या कर्व साठी जिथे बँकिंग प्रोव्हाइड केली आहे, फॉर दॅट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द स्पीड सेफ्टी स्पीड इज फिक्स. एकच कॉन्स्टंट व्हॅल्यू आहे, वन व्हॅल्यू वी आर गेटिंग. ओके, नाउ the problem with this is that value, suppose this maximum safety speed, one particular turn is there. Okay, it is having 3 meters, 25 meters of radius of curvature, g is 9.8, and theta is provided suppose 22 degrees, 22 degrees. From that we are getting the maximum safety speed of a vehicle, safety speed of a vehicle, that is 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. किंवा तुम्ही 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर त्या याच्यावरून हे घेऊ शकता, व्हेकल जे आहे ते सेफली ड्राइव्ह करू शकता विदाउट एनी स्किडिंग. इज दॅट क्लिअर? व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू? दॅट इज द 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. द प्रॉब्लेम with this value is it is not possible for every driver to keep that exact speed of 60. ओके, एक्झॅक्ट तो 60 हे करेल असं काही नाही आहे. लक्षात, त्याचा स्पीड मे बी 30 राहू शकतो, 40, 50, जे काय तो प्रत्येक वेळेस 60 प्रत्येक टर्नवर बँकिंग प्रोव्हाइड केला. मग तो असं म्हणणार की हा पुढे बोर्डवर लिहिलेलं असते की बा इथला जो स्पीड आहे दॅट व्हॅल्यू दॅट VS इज इक्वल टू सेफ्टी स्पीड रूट RG tan theta इज दिस मच ऑन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर टर्न, असं लिहिलेलं असतं काय? नाही. ओके, सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ अ सिंगल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ अ सेफ्टी स्पीड, we are interested in the range of the safe speed with which that vehicle can drive safely on that turn. ओके, आपल्याला हे सिंगल व्हॅल्यूच्या ऐवजी वी नीड दी रेंज, किंवा कमीत कमी इतकी स्पीड पाहिजे आणि जास्तीत जास्त इतकी स्पीड. या रेंज मध्ये तुम्ही कुठल्याही स्पीडनी गाडी चालवा, त्या टर्नवरून ती गाडी व्यवस्थित पार होईल. ओके, सो दॅट्स वाय instead of the single value of a safety speed, we are interested in the range of the velocities or speed of the vehicle. So that's why this expression here we have to obtain that derive an expression for lower and upper speed limit for a vehicle moving along a bank road. Moving along a bank road. Again, I am reading it. Derive an expression for lower and upper speed limit for a vehicle moving along a bank road. बँक रोड म्हणजे कर्व आहे त्याच्यावरती बँकिंग प्रोव्हाइड केलेली आहे त्याच्यावर मूव्ह होताना आपल्याला अप्पर आणि लोअर वाय बिकॉज फॉर एव्हरी टाइम इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द ड्रायव्हर टू मेंटेन दिस एक्झॅक्ट स्पीड ऑन वाईल निगोशिएटिंग दॅट टर्न प्रत्येक वेळेस शक्य होणार नाही त्याचा एक तर कमी राहील किंवा जास्त राहील पण दॅट्स वाय वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दी रेंज रेंज म्हणजे एक अप्पर व्हॅल्यू आणि एक लोअर व्हॅल्यू okay so this expression we have to obtain here. We know this formula theta is equals to tan inverse of v square by rg that we have obtained in previous lecture. Okay, so from that we got this expression from tan theta is equals to v square by rg. From this formula we can get expression, we can get the safety speed on the curved bank road. That formula you have to keep in your mind, vs is equals to root rg tan theta. Okay, now our target is to get the upper lower and upper speed on the of the vehicle, okay, on the bank road. Now in diagram I am showing here the forces acting on the vehicle on the bank road. This is the angle of banking theta, that is equals to tan inverse of v square by rg. Okay, now you know that the weight of the vehicle is always acts vertically downwards, that weight is equals to mg. I also told you that normal reaction is always normal to the contact surface. Okay, so this is the normal reaction. So instead of showing here I can show by extending it in the direction of normal reaction. So this is our normal reaction. If you remember the previous lecture that I told you regarding the angle, if theta is the angle made by the inclined plane with the horizontal, then same angle will be made by its normal to this inclined plane with the vertical. हे मी मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये सांगितलं होतं. Okay, if you are having any doubt you can go through that lecture. Is that clear? So this is the theta, that is the angle made by the normal to the surface. Surface is inclined with the angle theta with the horizontal. If surface is inclined theta with the horizontal, then same angle will be made by its normal with the vertical. So according to that I have shown that theta is the angle made by the normal reaction with the vertical. Okay, ठीक है. Now you know how to go for the components, horizontal, and this one is the vertical component. Now angle with vertical is there, so this horizontal component is now sine and vertical component is cos. You know this, okay? Already one lecture is there on the resolution of vector. ठीक है, n sin theta and cos theta. Now these are the forces, that weight is there which is acting vertically downwards. Normal reaction is normal to the contact surface. As that weight is applied on the surface, it gives the normal reaction, normal to the surface. Okay, and we have resolved that normal reaction in two components. Is that clear? Okay. Now there is the third force that is responsible for, okay, maneuvering of a vehicle or keeping that vehicle on the road surface, that is the force of friction. Okay. At the start of this topic, we have discussed the frictional force plays the role of the centripetal force when that vehicle is taking a turn on the unbanked road. जिथे बँकिंग प्रोव्हाइड केलेली नाही आहे त्या ठिकाणी फ्रिक्शन प्लेज द रोल ऑफ सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. Now we know the expression for the safety speed, that Vs is equals to, on the curve bank road, Rg tan theta. Rg tan theta. So at the start of this lecture, I told you that it is not possible for that driver to maintain this exact safety speed. Okay, that speed may be lower than this or higher than this. So that's why we have to obtain the lower limit and the upper limit here. Okay. Now Vs is equals to root Rg tan theta. Is that clear? So if V1, suppose that is lower speed or lower limit, आता लोअर असल्यामुळे ऑब्विसली Vs पेक्षा स्मॉल असणार. V1 is less than Vs, that is okay. Vs less than म्हणजेच काय, V1 is less than root Rg tan theta असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. V1 is less than Rg tan theta. Now if V1 is less than Rg tan theta, and if you go for the formula for the centripetal force, mv square by r, in that case that V, that is safety speed Vs, is considered constant. Okay, but here that V1, that the actual speed of vehicle, is less than the Vs. Okay, so less value of centripetal force will be required here. Okay, so V1 is less than Vs. Okay, so V1 is less than root Rg tan theta. It means that the necessary centripetal force is get reduced here. Now we will see, so which forces are playing the role of the centripetal force here. And sine theta, that is the component of normal reaction, it is towards the center. So if towards the center along radius, it plays the role of the centripetal force. Okay, another force which I am not showing in this diagram is the frictional force between the tire and the road surface. It is always directed towards center along radius. असं आहे का? नाही. ओके, आता ते डिपेंड आहे की जर सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड पेक्षा कमी पाहिजे, ओके, सो इन दैट केस फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स हैज टू सबट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द n sin थीटा. का बरं? कारण की V1 इज लेस दॅन Vs, सेफ्टी स्पीड पेक्षा कमी असल्यामुळे आपल्याला सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स कमी पाहिजे. मग आता सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स n sin थीटा आणि तिसरा फोर्स जो आपल्याला पिक्चर मध्ये घेतलाय तो आपला फ्रिक्शन आहे. सध्या तो दाखवत नाही मी डायग्राम मध्ये. मग आता आपल्याला n sin थीटा जो आहे तो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स मिळतोय. ओके, सॉरी काय, सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. ठीक आहे, आणि सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स काय आहे, इट इज द ऍडिशन, वेक्टर ऍडिशन ऑफ द n sin थीटा अँड द कंपोनंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. आता द कंपोनंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन कसं आहे ते मी पुढे टॉपिक याच्यामध्ये डिस्कशन मध्ये सांगेन. आला लक्षात? म्हणजे आता आपल्याला सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स जो आहे, रिक्वायर्ड सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स, तो कमी आहे. वाय? बिकॉज V1 इज लेस दॅन Vs. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे instead of adding the component of normal reaction and the component of the frictional force, we have to subtract the component of frictional force from the component of normal reaction. From the diagram you will get the clear idea. Now this is the friction Fs. It is normal, you know that it is tangential to the contact surface, tire and the road surface, so Fs. It is also making theta with the horizontal, so it is its component horizontal cos angle आहे horizontal suppose, so it is Fs cos theta, and vertical component, that is Fs sin theta. Fs sine theta here. So I am showing this Fs separately. So we have resolved this frictional force between the tire and the road surface, okay, into two component, horizontal component Fs cos theta and vertical component Fs sine theta. Okay. Now, if you want to show the separate force diagram, Fs cos theta, this is n sine theta, this is n cos theta, and also Fs sine theta, and this is weight W. Now, after resolving it into components, these are the forces, okay, are shown in the force diagram. Now these are the forces, okay. Now car is moving along the curved bank road, so all the forces are balanced. कारण की ती व्यवस्थित चालली, इकडे स्किड होत नाहीये किंवा काही पलटी मारत नाही, काहीच नाही, व्यवस्थित चालली आहे. याचा अर्थ काय आहे की जरी ती व्हेकल इज हॅव्हिंग दॅट व्हेलॉसिटी v, okay, that v1, it is moving, okay, along the curved road with that speed. So forces are balanced means that all the forces which are acting in the horizontal direction, okay, are balancing each other, and the forces which are acting in vertical direction are also balancing each other. Is that clear? Okay. Now from this is suppose figure A, this is figure B. From figure B, forces in horizontal direction, forces acting in horizontal direction. Now this n sine theta and this Fs cos theta, okay, so are opposite in direction, and you know that one force is there, that is the centripetal force, which is towards center along radius, towards center along radius, okay. So mv square by r, that is mv1 square by r, this is the centripetal force. Now centripetal force is the vector addition of this n sin theta and Fs cos theta, but you know that this Fs cos theta is opposite of n sin theta, so centripetal force will be the difference of n sin theta and Fs cos theta. This is your equation number 1. Now second, forces in vertical direction. Now mg is balanced by n cos theta and Fs sin theta. So mg is equals to addition of this n cos theta plus Fs sin theta. This is your equation number 2. Now dividing equation 1 by 2, what is this? mv1 square by r upon left hand side mg, so mm get cancelled here, is equals to, this is n sin theta minus Fs cos theta divided by n cos theta plus Fs sin theta. Okay. So if you remember the coefficient of friction mu, but Fs is equals to mu s into n, because since mu s is equals to Fs by n. mu s is equals to s by n. मग आता fs is equals to mu s into n, since mu s is equals to fs by n, because coefficient of friction is the ratio of frictional force to the normal reaction. Now using this fs is instead of fs mu s into n, so mm get cancel here, so it becomes v square by rg, r खाली जातो divided, so it is n sin theta minus fs च्या जागी mu s n cos theta upon n cos theta as it is, fs च्या जागी mu s n sin theta. Okay, so multiplying the equation 3 by n cos theta upon n cos theta. n cos theta by n cos theta ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं दोन्ही साइड तर काही फरक पडत नाही. n cos theta upon n cos theta, that is 1. This is multiplied by v1 square by rg, so there is no difference. v1 square by rg is equals to, now n sin theta minus mu s n cos theta, प्रत्येक टर्मला आता कशाने डिवाइड केलाय, n cos theta ने, हा खालचा वाला या वरच्या न्यूमरेटर साठी. So n sin theta upon n cos theta, n get cancel, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta minus sin as it is. Now this mu s n cos theta upon n cos theta, n cos theta upon n cos theta, that is 1 into mu s as it is. Now in denominator मध्ये बघा काय आता, n cos theta minus mu s n sin theta. ओके, नाउ n आता हा जो न्यूमरेटर मधला आपण मल्टिप्लाय करतो n cos theta अपॉन n cos theta, आणि हा n cos theta डिनोमिनेटरला काय जाईल, अपॉन जाईल, म्हणून n cos theta अपॉन that n cos theta, that is 1 minus, sorry, I have taken by mistake, I have taken it is minus, so it is plus, it should be plus, sorry. So n cos theta upon n cos theta, that is 1 plus as it is. Now mu s n sin theta upon n cos theta, n get cancelled, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta, mu s as it is. So mu s tan theta. Okay, so we are interested in the lower limit of the speed on the curved bank road. So v1 square is equals to rg get multiplied with this equation. You have to keep this in the bracket, minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan theta. Okay, so taking square root on both the sides, v1 is equals to root rg in bracket tan theta minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan theta. Okay, so this is the expression for the lower limit of the speed on the curved bank road. R radius of the curvature, g acceleration due to gravity for that particular curve, that r is constant, g is always constant. Okay, theta is the angle of banking for that particular curved bank road, it is also constant. Mu s is the coefficient of friction between the tire and the road surface. Okay, okay, and so 1 2 3 and 4 terms, this value of the v1, that lower limit depends. Okay, this is the lower limit with which that vehicle can be driven along the curved bank road. So this is the expression for the lower limit of the speed with which that vehicle can be safely driven on the curved bank road. Okay, now we have to obtain the upper limit of the speed. We have to obtain the upper limit of the speed here. So we'll use that same diagram. Vs is equals to rg tan theta. So v1 is lower limit. Now we'll take v2 as upper limit of a speed. Now v2 is greater than vs, so therefore v2 is also greater than root rg tan theta. V2 is also greater than root Rg tan theta. Now here in this case, that frictional force is always exist between the tire and the road surface. Now in this case, difference is the centripetal force is provided by the difference of n sine theta and the frictional force. In previous case, here that design safety speed is Vs. Okay, Vs is equals to root Rg tan theta. Now according to that formula for centripetal force is mvs square by r is equals to, okay, mv square by r, that is the centripetal force. But now in this case, that component of normal reaction n sine theta, okay, is not sufficient to keep that vehicle on the curb and bank road with that such higher speed. So that's why component of friction that get added in this L sine theta, okay, to combinedly play the role of centripetal force. पहिल्या याच्यामध्ये आपण डिफरन्स सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स इतका जास्त झाला होता एन साइन थीटा जो प्रोव्हाइड करत होता की त्यातून आपल्याला फ्रिक्शन सबट्रॅक्ट करावं लागलं. पण या केसमध्ये काय आहे की सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्सची आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू हायर पाहिजे बिकॉज दॅट V2 इज ग्रेटर दॅन Vs. फॉर दॅट we have to add this fs cos theta in the component of normal reaction. Is that clear? कारण की centripetal force आपल्याला आता जास्त पाहिजे. Is that clear? Because speed वाढला. Okay. So forces in horizontal direction. Now before that I have to show the forces. So now friction is helping the normal reaction. So friction direction is opposite. This is F. So resolve angle with horizontal. So n sin theta plus आता f चा component horizontal का येईल fs cos theta and vertical component is fs sin theta. Okay, n sin theta plus fs cos theta. Okay, so this is our n sin theta and fs cos theta combinedly plays the role of centripetal force, and fs sin theta is get added with the mg weight that balances n cos theta component of normal reaction. Now forces in horizontal direction, now instead of 1 here we have to take 2. N sin theta get added with the fs cos theta to provide the necessary centripetal force. So n sin theta plus fs cos theta here, now instead of minus. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now in previous case n cos with n cos theta there was fs sin theta, but now fs sin theta get added with mg. So mg is equals to, if we need the mg, so this fs sin theta get added with mg, and if we need the mg, so fs sin theta gets subtracted from n cos theta. So here that minus sign will be there. Okay, now dividing equation 1 by 2. Okay, so I'm writing here 3 already we have used, so it is 4 and this is 5. So dividing equation 4 by 5, so we have to change only the v1, instead of v1 v2 we have to write here, then plus minus. So in upper, in the numerator there is plus sign and denominator it is minus sign. Okay, so fs, you know that mu s into n, so mu s is equals to fs by n, so we'll change the sign only, and here it is v2. Okay, so multiplying the equation, now it is equation number 6 by n cos theta by n cos theta. Okay, now we'll see it carefully. N cos theta, n sin theta upon n cos theta, and n get cancelled, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta. Here is the plus sign. Mu s sense n cos theta upon n cos theta, n cos theta upon n cos theta, that is 1 into mu s mu s. N cos theta upon n cos theta, that is 1. Minus sign is here. Mu s into n sin theta upon n cos theta, n cos theta upon n sin theta, and n get cancelled, sin upon cos tan into mu s. So mu s into tan theta, minus sign is there. Okay. Now here it is v2 square. बाकी प्रोसीजर साइन उल्टा करून टाका. Okay. So in this way we can obtain the expression for the lower upper limit of the speed, that v2 is equal to root rg in bracket tan theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tan theta. Okay. So in this way we can obtain the expressions for the lower limit and upper limit of the speed on the curve bank road.